We're going to keep our focus on the dramatic and controversial turn in the Surya Chauhan murder case. Now, the man identified by the police as the main accused in the killing of the 17-year-old has been killed in a police encounter in Ghaziabad. Now, according to cops, the accused, whose name is Asad, he opened fire on the team. Now, this is the police's version. He opened fire on the team that had moved to arrest him in the Indirapuram area late last night. The police then say that they fired in self-defense, after which Asad was injured. He was taken to the hospital where he was declared dead. So yes, in a shocking twist, the main accused in the Surya Chauhan murder case has been killed in an encounter, and the family for now is devastated. They're still seeking justice. The murder of Surya Chauhan on Bakrid had triggered widespread outrage in the area. There were protests and there have been demands for swift action. While Surya's family is now welcoming the probe that is taking place, they're also calling this development justice. The encounter is likely to raise questions about the use of police force and whether due process of law was adequately followed. This incident is also expected to spark a fresh debate in the days ahead. But let's get you a report filed by my colleague Mohit Om on the details that have unfolded in the latest development that has taken place. The main accused in the Surya Chauhan murder case has been killed in an encounter.
28 मई को ईद के दिन गाजियाबाद के खोड़ा थाना क्षेत्र में एक सूर्य चौहान नाम के युवक की बेरहमी से हत्या कर दी गई। सूर्य चौहान का इतना ही कसूर था कि अपने दोस्तों के घर ईद के त्योहार पे गया था, उसको वहां बुलाया गया था और उसके बाद वहां उससे पूछा गया है क्या उसने आज से पहले बकरा हलाल होते देखा है। जब सूर्य ने ना कहा तो उसके बाद सूर्य पे चाकू से ताबड़तोड़ वार किए गए और सूर्य की इसमें दुखद मौत हो गई। इस वारदात के बाद से लगातार पुलिस के ऊपर दबाव था कि आरोपियों के खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई की जाए। पुलिस ने 3 आरोपियों को गिरफ्तार किया था, लेकिन जो मुख्य आरोपी असद है वो लगातार फरार चल रहा था। पुलिस को देर रात सूचना मिलती है कि खोड़ा थाना क्षेत्र के इस इलाके में असद जो है वो यहाँ पे आ रहा है। अपने किसी परिजन को उसने यहाँ पे बुलाया है और यहाँ पे वो उससे पैसे लेके फिर दोबारा फरार होगा। पुलिस का कहना है कि लगातार जो असद की लोकेशन है वो उन्हें वेस्टर्न यूपी के इलाके में मिल रही थी, लेकिन बीती रात जब सूचना मिलती है कि खोड़ा थाना क्षेत्र में ही आने वाला है, अपने उसके साथी के साथ आ रहा है, पुलिस ने ट्रैप लगाया। असद को पुलिस ने सरेंडर करने के लिए बोला, लेकिन असद ने पुलिस की टीम को देखते उनके ऊपर फायरिंग की, जिसके बाद पुलिस ने जवाबी कार्रवाई की और यहाँ पे 7 राउंड गोलियां जो है वो चलाई गई हैं। और असद को देखकर पुलिस ने सरेंडर करने की बात की। जब असद नहीं रुका तो पुलिस के ऊपर उसने फायरिंग की। उसके बाद पुलिस को भी जवाबी कार्रवाई करनी पड़ी, जिसमें असद की मौत हो गई। फिलहाल पुलिस का कहना है कि इस मामले में जो अन्य आरोपी हैं उनको बेहद जल्द गिरफ्तार किया जाएगा। असद के ऊपर 50,000 रुपए का नाम पुलिस ने रखा था, ना सिर्फ यूपी के अलग अलग जिलों में बल्कि दिल्ली में भी असद की जो फोटोज है वो पुलिस ने भेजी थी और इंटरेस्टेड जो कोऑर्डिनेशन है उसके तहत असद को पकड़ने की जो कार्रवाई है वो लगातार की जा रही थी। फिलहाल असद मारा गया है, जो अन्य आरोपी है वो फरार है, लेकिन पुलिस का कहना है कि बेहद जल्द अन्य आरोपियों को भी गिरफ्तार किया जाएगा।
My colleague Shefali is with us as she tracks all the details of the investigation. Shefali, what happened last night? The police have now revealed that they had intelligence inputs on the movement of Asad, who had gone missing after the murder of Surya Chauhan. They said following those leads, following those inputs, they reached this area called Indirapuram, when Asad then was the first to open fire, after which there was an exchange because police fired in retaliation or in self-defense, and he was injured, after which he was taken to the hospital. Take us through the entire version that's coming in from the police, and if there is a version that is coming from Asad's family as well.
Right, we are learning that the incident, the day Surya Chauhan was killed allegedly by Asad was on 28th, and later that the police was investigating the matter and got to know that Asad, including with other accomplice, they are fleeing the state and on the investigation. And as per the intelligence received by the police had barricaded the area and was trying to capture them and trying to find them. As soon as they spotted Asad, who was accompanying with another person, they tried to capture him. And what we are learning is that is when the Asad opened fire at the police, in which one police personnel is also injured, and then police had to retaliate to that open fire, and in which Asad has been killed. We are currently at the deceased residence, and here you can see whole gathering has been is here. We'll try and speak to some of the people here. We'll try and find the family members of the people of what has happened. परिवार से कौन है यहाँ पे? परिवार वालों से हम बात. We'll try and speak to some of the family members. Just a second. Here we are connecting with the family member. आप लोग परिवार से हैं? क्या हुआ था? क्या बताया जा रहा है पुलिस द्वारा
ये बताया जा रहा है कि एक बंदे का इनकाउंटर हो चुका है और हमारी जो मांगे हैं वो अभी 6 के 6 इनकाउंटर हो गई है और जो बुलडोजर बाबा की कार्रवाई चलती है, बुलडोजर चलाना, उन 7 के घर पे बुलडोजर चलना चाहिए।
हुआ क्या था अगर आप बता पाए तो?
हुआ ये था कि बकरा ईद वाले दिन उस भाई को बुलाया गया हमारे और उसका चाकू घोंप के हत्या कर दी गई 28 तारीख को। ये बोला गया कि तूने बकरा कटते हुए देखा है? इनने बोला कि नहीं, मैंने बकरा कटते हुए नहीं देखा है। उसके पेट में तुरंत चाकू घोंप के ये बोला गया, ये देख, ये बकरा ऐसे कटता है। यानी कि हिंदुओं की अब बकरा ईद पे बकरा नहीं काटा जाएगा, मुसलमानों की बकरा ईद पे अब हिंदुओं की बलि चढ़ाई जाएगी।
Emotions are running high. Shefali, as you speak to the family members, they're making some very serious allegations, but the focus has to be on the investigation. 17-year-old Surya Chauhan was killed on the day of Bakrid, and there are allegations that the family has been making about how he was brutally stabbed. They named the prime accused as Asad, and last night in an encounter, Asad was killed. The police has been saying that the encounter took place because Asad, on spotting the police, was the first to open fire. He was with another accomplice. I would also like to know about the recovery that has happened from the spot where the encounter took place. Shefali, if you could break down some more details there. But before that, let's listen to some reactions coming in from the family of Surya Chauhan. The family is still demanding justice.
पुलिस ने वही किया जो पुलिस को करना चाहिए। पुलिस ने अवसर दिया कि और सद आकर के सरेंडर करे, उसने सरेंडर नहीं किया। पुलिस ने उसे पकड़ने का प्रयास किया तो पुलिस के ऊपर हमला किया। पुलिस के ऊपर हमला किया तो पुलिस ने जवाबी कार्रवाई की जिसमें वो मारा गया।
परिवार जो है, जो पीड़ित मां है, वो बुलडोजर एक्शन की मांग कर रही है।
वो अरशद किराए के मकान पे रहता है, उसका अपना नहीं है। असद, हाँ, जो भी नाम।
सरकार की तरफ से क्या और कदम उठा जाएंगे?
सरकार कानून के अंतर्गत रह करके सभी अपराधियों को सख्त सजा दिलाएगी।
मां का कहना है कि मुख्यमंत्री जी से मिलना चाहती हैं।
मिलवा देंगे।
So the man you just heard right now is a minister in the UP government, and his name is Sunil Sharma. He was speaking to our colleague Mohit Om. Emotions are running high in Ghaziabad. You've been speaking to multiple family members. This is a story which also has communal overtones. There were tensions that broke out in the area after the murder of 17-year-old Surya Chauhan. What has the family told you about what happened on the day of Surya's killing?
Right. As you can see, the family is mourning right now. Of course, as they have lost their son, who's a 17-year-old. What we are learning is that Surya Chauhan went for a celebration, and that is where the incident happened. The family or the close people in association with Surya Chauhan are telling us that it happened when he was at the celebration, and there were few people who came who asked if he has seen how to butcher a mutton basically during the Bakr.
All right, so serious allegations there made by the family, and all those allegations currently are under investigation. Shefali, as you keep talking to the family, let's also break down the details of the investigation that is currently ongoing. The ministers in the UP government have been meeting the family members of Surya Chauhan. The mother has expressed her desire to meet the chief minister and seek justice from the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. But their ministers are also saying that because the family is highly emotional right now, they're making demands. The mother is devastated. They're saying that all the action that will be taken right now will be in the purview of the legal system. With that, let's